So today, Whole Shot Power Sports, we are going to take 107 Road Glide, 108 Challenger. See who's faster. Thank you to my man Eric for running this and actually taking some time to take his bike down the street, see who's faster. This is gonna hurt some feelings. And of course, we get a little drizzle. All right, so we are going to race this 107 Road Glide and that 108 Challenger. That's a 2019. This thing, I'm pretty sure, is a 2017. That's a good looking bike, man. Look at that. See who's king of kings. I know there's a 114 and I know that there's a 117, but it's not that drastic of a difference. Like, the difference between this bike and that bike is way more substantial between a 114 and a 117 and this bike. Second gear, he's in second gear. All right, here we go. Holy crap. Dude, I stand no chance at all. That thing is gone. Oh man. But just in case, we can run it back. I'm even gonna try to cheat a little bit. Check this out. Let's run that back one more time. See if there's any difference. We're gonna go again. I'm gonna try to cheat this time. I'm gonna try to go from first gear, see what happens. All right, here we go, first gear. Plunge. Nope, he's gaining. He's gaining. God dang it. I can't catch up. No. I stand no chance. No chance at all. So yeah, for all of you guys that are gonna say there's a 114, there's a 117, my twin turbo 135 with the Trask turbo is faster. This bike right here, 100% stock. This bike is also stock. Obviously there's 117s now. Those are a little quicker, not that much. All right, third time's a charm, third time's a charm. No! Oh, that Challenger destroyed me! There's just no chance. There's just no chance at all. Thank you, brother. I greatly appreciate the ride. What Indian is doing with these PowerPlus motors is amazing. Shout out to my man Eric for helping me out on this thing. Anything you want to say?
It was a blast. Had fun. Check this guy out. Great videos.
Thank you, Eric. Appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see some more beatdowns, check out this video right here.